everybody. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, it is freezing cold. It is early, and we're on our way to pick up a tractor load of toilet paper. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, we are on our way to pick up our first non-Ford coyote swap. So, yeah, that's the plan today. Let's go. All right, boys. Sure we got everything. And we've got the Mac Daddy trailer, and of course we got the Dover Maestro. Morning. What's up, dude? So we're just telling our faithful viewers we are actually on our way to pick up our first non-Ford.
Yeah, non-Ford, yeah.
Coyote swap. So maybe we'll just.
They can't guess what it is.
No, I guarantee you guys cannot guess what it is, and I don't think we're gonna say anything until we actually get there. We got about an hour drive or so.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake down.
Alright, gents, we I think we arrived.
Almost.
I don't see the car yet. We have seen the Amish. The Amish are out in force today. Nobody told them about the coronavirus, so they're good. We did hear banjos on the way here. As you can see, we're both here. We're good. Trying to see if we can spot this car. It's around here somewhere. That may be a shot. Yeah, that's a shot right there.
Arriving at 211 Sunrise Drive on the right.
Let's see what we can see here.
You know why? I do. Yeah. Let's see, it's out there in front of the white Kia, so you can figure out. Just pull up it. Let's see. It runs, huh? Well, I don't know if it's cranked today, but it's been sitting from.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, I guess we can try.
Sitting out there a while.
Yeah, I tried. He acted like he was just gonna come drive it home at some point in time, but
Okay. I've got a jump box.
if it don't, I mean, I can
Yeah.
move my trailer or whatever. It don't matter.
Yeah.
I knew, seemed like a pretty good car, but it burns oil. And his transmission went out. So I put plugs in one time. And that was all burning oil.
He takes care of his stuff.
Yeah.
All right, boys. So I guess we got to let the cat out of the bag. Yes, boys and girls. The first coyote swapped 560 Mercedes is popping off right here. I can't take credit for this one. You've had this in your head forever.
A long time. Yes. So
But
you got this big V8 in it, huh?
Yeah, I mean
It's gonna have a different V8 in it.
Yeah, it's just a little different V8.
Yeah.
And this is a 90 model.
I don't know what year it is.
Let me look in the door here. But yeah, guys, this the engine burns oil, transmission's bad. So let's see what year this thing is.
You say
88. Well, 9 of 88, so 89. Oh yeah, check that out.
right here, man. Look at your ashtray in the door.
Man, this thing is clean though. Oh, it's even got cigarette butts in the ashtray.
Yeah, people used to smoke back in the day, you know.
Yeah. Look at that. Boy, let me tell you. So,
It's a solid.
yeah, this thing's made out of metal. But this is it, boys. Because, why? Because we've got some Coyote engine. Man, it's got a sunroof. Look at it.
Solid.
Yeah, that's tight, huh?
Like shutting it off, man.
Sheesh. Now, the question is this engine wider than...
It's overhead cam, so I mean, it's fairly wide.
Probably about, kind of almost looks like a 2-valve.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is going to be interesting. So if you guys want to see a Coyote swap, 6R80 swapped 89 Mercedes, here it is. Whoa. She runs. Not bad.
Look at this old gangster.
What's the oil change? What's it say? Oh, yeah. Not bad. It doesn't smoke too bad.
Smoke though.
Yeah.
Need a while to go, huh?
Let's see here. All right. Well, no reverse. Oh well. Oh, we got something. Maybe.
Think I can circle there?
Yeah, it ain't going in reverse.
Took it a second to go and drive there for me.
Try to cut left as hard as you can. It's wet right there. There you go. Yeah, you got it. You got it. It runs. Oh, we got a Ferrari in there.
Oh,
Sweet. We gotta check that out. And now the Mac Daddy trailer. Drop her down a little bit. Oh man, look at this.
it's like Magnum PI, ain't it?
It is.
Wow, 308 GTS.
Beautiful.
78 model.
78 model
That's
Ferrari.
almost as old as I am.
Ah,
What are you doing to it?
The motor's not running. It'll.
wow.
When you first crank it.
This is the card.
That's part of it. We took them apart. From the jets out of it.
This is freaking cool.
After it gets warm, it starts up a little bit better. But just gonna put a belt, have a belt, stuff like that.
Interior. God. No, look at this interior. This is wild. Look on the console and stuff.
It's definitely different, ain't it?
That is too cool. It's like what Rocky drove in one of those Rocky movies. Look at this interior, guys. This thing is too cool. Wow.
It's hard to get parts.
Well, you find them. They're not. You can't just go down the
Shut
road
that
here.
Oh, yeah.
Man.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah, that is too cool.
So what size motor is that?
I don't know.
Oh,
Huh.
it could be anything, huh?
Yeah, I couldn't tell you. My other mechanics working on it.
It's V8 dual overhead cam, looks like. Wow.
So is that like a 3.0? Is that what that means?
Very cool. All right, one more cool thing here. What year is this one?
That one's 80. Let me look.
Mid 80s, looks like.
It's in the 80s. No, it's not. It's 76.
76. Wow.
Yeah, it is 76.
Porsche Targa. Man,
76.
this is wild. RS 3.8. I don't know anything about these cars. I like them. They're cool. It's got some hips on her. Pretty neat. Oh, we got a 911 over here. Sweet. Yeah, Carrera.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Carrera.
I just saw it on the back.
It's hard to keep up with all.
Oh, I'm telling you, yeah. Very cool.
I had trouble keeping up with the Hondas that come in work. That handles fall off of them. I don't even know what it is.
Pretty cool old Porsches. All right, boys, so there you go. Cat is out of the bag. The very first Coyote swapped 1989 Mercedes 560. Guys, I don't even know if we can do it, but Dover's known this car for a while, known of this car for a while. The guy finally decided he was wanting to let it go, so you know, there it is. All right, guys, so the goal is with this build is the car will look identical to the way it looks now, albeit we'll probably clean it up a little bit, probably tint the window, something like that. But other than that, it's gonna look bone stock. So this is gonna be a fun one. All right, boys, so we got the Mercedes all loaded up and you know, head back to the shop. Man, they do all kinds of stuff, all hidden away. So what do you think are gonna be the challenges? Like the wiring mainly on this car, fuel system? Fitting it physically in the car.
Yeah, it's all new. That's all.
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out one way or another. That's pretty much it.
I don't imagine we'll find a YouTube video of installing it. Really,
we are the only. All right, boys, we have landed. This thing unbolted. Now, guys, and here's the deal, and if you didn't already know, anytime a new vehicle comes to the shop, if it's in some sort of running condition, we always have to see if it'll do a burnout. This car's no different. All right, let's see. Will she do a burnout? Oh, it hit it! Stay tuned for this one, guys. This is not going to be a fast build, but we are going to do it, and it's going to be awesome. And the only
ride's good, huh?
Yeah.
Luxury.
We're pimping here.
Luxury.
We need to get some Grey Poupon in the bag there. So, all right, guys, if you like Coyote swapped Mercedes and you're down for this build, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And stay tuned for this one. It's going to be interesting.